I heard, yes.
Me and my friends are really into skibbity dub dub skibbity.
Apparently this was my idea.
Well, there's something in addition to that that I think you'll find very
cloudy and weather like this, then to have 15-20 degrees. Yeah. Look at that. Oh no. Now, yeah, I'm gonna open up the gates, and Steph here, she's gonna go through how we're doing this line here. All right. Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, there are 3 things you need to remember. First one, if you're gonna be attached to the wire, you need to remember that wire itself goes down when you put the weight on it. So basically like that. So our advice is to not sit down too early. You can run off or go all the way down and then you can jump. But if you're gonna sit down here, you're just gonna have dirty butts. That's it. Second thing, if you're going down, remember to scream. We're alone here. Yes. All the anxiety might come out now, so you can release it.
You have to do 2 things, and that's patting the box
And scream.
and scream.
Stop rolling the river right there.
I forgot to scream.
Awesome. All right. Can you just?
Hey!
Oh my God. Now, this one is quite a lot different. It's not as steep. It's a little bit shorter. And look at the other side there. We're slamming right into the cliffs on the other side. I don't have any line here. So the only thing I have is my arms. So best thing is to go slowly into this line. So if you run, you'll become an Icelandic pancake on the other side. So this is what I do when I see you coming in hot. I'm like ready to catch you, and then I just move away.
So do not run and jump.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. So before I show you that, I want to show you something cool. Now, some of you probably came in backwards, right?
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to give you a little tip to be able to control yourself a little bit. So when we're on the wire like that, we're facing the other way and we want to face, like we want to turn around. Then we can use the white thing here, the backup line, and if you pull it, you hold it by the plastic here and you pull it to the sides. And you can maneuver a little bit. Easy, walking backwards, and we're out.
This time you're
The mouse,
turn around. Walk backward. And like that. I know you can. Don't hold it anything. Let go!
I got you!
Just.
I got you! Alveg búið að springa út? Já, ég maður ekki Now, here you can do whatever pops into your head. So if you're into yoga, you can go into the lotus pose or the tree or
That's a fish, yeah.
that fish,
It's
yeah.
not about yoga,
Yeah.
it's more about like
Yeah.
lifestyle or something.
So you can go into a small ball and try to go as fast as you can. Superman or our favorite. The best way to do it is to hold on to the orange sling, but all the way to the bottom of it. So where the orange and white meet. Holding on to the sling here and push, look backwards, feet up, letting go of your hands. We'll be on our way.
So you guys, you probably were thinking, what's the name of this river you are zipping above? You guys know. Any clue?
Little.
Yeah. So it's called, in translation it means glass river. And this is actually because of the obsidians we might see in the spring, and it shines when we got a little bit of light, like some sun, then it shines.
Look at him!
That's gonna be you. Do that too. So this is 1 month baby old. This is a elf, and you have 2 more over there.
Warm up before. So the warm up, it's like this. Okay. And then the kick, I'll show you. Okay.
So you jump sideways.
Oh, no.
Why not?
I'm gonna have a cramp and I'm gonna look like a crab.
Very good. Go to Denmark, but it's such an effort, you know. Okay, you guys see this bike? So you see this line? There's gonna be braking system. We're gonna be slowing you down from the platform, and this time I will go down and Helgi will stay with you here. So he will take care of releasing you and also slowing you down.
All good. And just lean backwards with straight feet. Straighten up your feet. Okay, yeah. All right. Wait a minute there.